Hello everyone, Prometheus here. Today's a very special episode of some 3D printing we're about to do now. As soon as we can get it, I am extracting the folder as we speak. But we're gonna hold up here for a second. Now, not only am I printing this cool hand, I'll explain real quick what I'm doing. But we are also gonna test the seed number. We're gonna test the transparent PET G, if you will. I think that's how you pronounce it. Whatever, it's the type of material that we're printing. Okay, we're gonna print. We're gonna check these out because we got multiple folders. Bear with me 1 second. Okay, there we go. There's a bunch of them here. Let's see. We got, okay, hold on. We might have to piece some stuff up here. What's going on here? That's another one. So we have this. Here we go. All right, so this is going to be quite a print, to be honest with you. Hopefully, we just printed through this 3. Pretty sure 2. All right, we're getting ahead of ourselves here. Let's start this all over. Now, I think there was an update, but I'm not sure on Cure. We are currently rocking with 5.3, which, all right, let's see. Let's bring 1, 2. We have 1, 2, and 3, which I'm kind of confused of what we're. There we go. Okay. Now we're gonna try to. I wish I could piece them all together at once. I've done that previously, and it was kind of sketchy. It wasn't kind of, it was a lot sketchy. But if we highlight this and we uncheck the lock drop down, this is going to be quite a masterpiece. Oh boy. Okay. And then we take this one. We might not have the room for it. Maybe that's why it's in pieces. Okay. Oh yeah, it's in pieces, but okay, that's all right. We'll start with the 1, and we're gonna do the whole shebang in a time lapse. We're gonna have a time lapse video. This is gonna be, we're gonna be testing the transparent, like I mentioned earlier. Yeah, the transparent PET G, and see how it looks like on with this. Not only this will be printing it for the first time, we're going to see how this looks. So if you guys haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. I'm going to try to put some more out. I'm mostly a gaming channel, but we are venturing out and yeah, doing all the fun stuff. So let's get ready. We're about to print this.